Hi there. Today we're going to talk about setting up your team areas. Now, this will not cover the team download area as I have made a separate video for that to just cover that. But this is going to cover all the other parts of the team training area. And again, I want to encourage you as you're watching the video and setting up your website, please pause after each step and perform that step on your own website and then come back and hit play again on this video because that's going to be the easiest way for you to learn how to do this. So many people make the mistake of trying to watch the whole video and then replicate the entire thing, and nobody can do that. That's just really hard. So please pause the video, perform the step, come back to the video, hit play, and continue. So the first place that we're going to do is the area that we're talking about is the team training area, and it's a feature that is pretty unique to this website. So when somebody comes to the team training area, they have the login form that they will be able to log into. Now, when you make your username and password for your team to access that area, they will put that here and hit login. And of course, they'll be able to enter the team training area. When they do, this is what they'll see: subcategories, team articles, team downloads, team videos, team resources, and links. Now, team downloads is a separate video, as I said, but we're going to cover some of these other areas right here on setting them up. Because if you click on team articles, the first thing that the person's going to see is this is an area that will be password protected where you can post articles for your team. It's probably not what you want it to say once you're actually starting to use it, so let's go ahead and edit that. And the easiest way to do that is we're going to come back to our back end. We're going to hit Content. We're going to go Article Manager. And I want you to search Team. And you will find those things because Team is in the wording of those. And the first one we want to go ahead and edit is the team articles. So team articles, this area will be password protected, links and resources. Well, that's not it. Videos. Well, that's not it. Oh, here we go. This is an area that will be password protected where you can post articles for your team. Perfect. Let's go ahead and click on that one. Beautiful. Add pictures, articles, PDFs, etc. So what we'll want to do is want to go ahead and just edit this. Team articles. What do you think? Articles? Or whatever else you want to say. And then team articles for you. Okay, good enough. You can say whatever you want there. And we'll just hit save and close. Now when we come over to the page and we hit refresh, this is what we'll see. So this is a point where I would encourage you to pause the video and to go ahead and perform those actions. And when we come back over here and go back over to the team training area, we'll notice there's some other areas that need to be edited too. Again, downloads is a completely separate video. So let's go over to like team videos. Well, we certainly don't want it to say that, right? So we're going to come back over here and we're going to click on the one that says videos, and we're going to go ahead and edit that as well. And let's say team videos. Perfect. Now you're going to notice something different here though. I have a video actually listed on this one. Now you don't necessarily have to list all of them here. I'm going to show you a different way of doing that. You can even erase this and just say all videos if you like, and hit save and close. And now you look at this. Okay. Now, we know that the team resources and links, it's going to be the same thing. Just open it up and edit it to say whatever you want. But here's the thing. Maybe you want to post an article. Maybe you want to post a video. Maybe you want to make a resource or a link. Let's go ahead and quickly show you how to do that. We're going to go ahead and hit new and my new article. Perfect. Okay, so say you already have, stuff in Word that you need to copy and paste and you want to put this whole thing, or you want to write out something, for all of your team and stuff like that, you would do that right here. Now, if it's an article and you want it in that team article area, you're going to come over here to category and you're going to put it under team article. If it's a video, you would want to put it under video, and I will quickly show you also how to put a video in. If it's a resource or a link, like say it's a link to another website that you want to make sure your team has, maybe it's for some resource on some tools that will help them or stuff, that's what that area is for right there. Now this one, we're going to put it in team articles, and I'm just going to hit save, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what that will look like. So let's come back over to team training area. And if we hit team articles, you will see that this article is available. And of course it would be a lot bigger. Now here's the thing, maybe you don't want the entire thing to show all at once. Well, what you can do is after usually about 2 or 3 sentences or so, maybe even only one, you'll want to go ahead and scroll down and put in what's called a read more. You ever seen that before where it's like you can click to read more of the article but you don't see it all at once? That's what that does. And when you click that, you will see a red line come up, and everything that is under the line won't be seen. And let's go ahead and click save. Okay, team article, my new article, click read more, and there it is. Perfect. Now, you can go ahead to go back here. You can go ahead and delete the other thing if you want to. Up to you completely. I would go ahead and there's a logout form there as well for them. But let's go ahead and talk about a video real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and save and close this, and I'm going to start a whole new article for a video. Now let's go over to let's say you posted something on YouTube, or maybe you like a video over on Vimeo, on the Young Living Vimeo page. This would be a great example. Young Living on Vimeo. Okay, so let's go ahead and just look at their videos real quick. And the Boost Diamonds on Cut. You may not exactly want that on your page. Grand Convention highlights. You may not want that on your page. But other things, there's other great things that are awesome for your customers, but maybe some things are more like a little bit more training instead. So let's go to Grand Convention highlights, okay? And when we do that, we are going to go ahead and leave that there. We will copy the URL of the video that we want to put into our website. In our article, we will put this. Now look at this line right here. This is usually over on your computer over on the right hand side, some middle to the top. Usually you have to press shift to get it. And you're going to do Vimeo. Since the video's on Vimeo, we're going to copy in and paste our URL from there, and then we're going to do that same little with a /Vimeo to end it. My new video. Okay. Let's put this under the category of team videos. And we're going to hit save. Let's go ahead and go over to the team training area. Let's go to team videos. Oop, they don't like that one embedded. That's okay. I didn't think it would because it was one that's more for the teams. Let's see if we can find one that they do allow embedding on though. I'm actually glad that showed up because then it gives you an idea that not every single video do they allow embedding on. Let's try this one. Okay. Perfect. We're going to copy this whole URL. We'll hit copy. And now we're going to look for that article again. So we'll clear out the search button and hit search. Hit search tools, and I'm going to look for the things that are under the category of team videos just to make it easier to find that. My new video. And again, pause for each step if you need to. That's fine. It's always best to do things in steps. I'm going to highlight the URL, whoops, and backspace to delete it while leaving the little VMO codes. And then I'm going to hit Control V because I'm on a Windows computer to paste. There's the new code. We're going to hit save. We'll come over to the team training area. And this one comes up, so they allow embedding in this one because it's talking about Young Living. So if you ever get a video that says it's because of privacy reasons or it won't let you, it's because the owner of that video has made it so it's not allowed to be embedded. Now, one thing I'd like to cover real quick, and I'm trying to make these videos as short as possible, is what if your video that you want to use is on YouTube? Well, let's come over here to YouTube real quick, and we will go ahead and let's try this. Personalized. Boy, it's running slow today, isn't it? YL personalized website. There we go. Okay. And I'll grab one of our videos. I think I've allowed embedding on some of them. Okay, perfect. So we're going to make sure that it doesn't, woo, we don't want that to be too loud. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and click this URL and we're going to copy this. Okay, we're going to come over to our website, and instead of those tags being VMO, we're going to do YouTube. We're going to paste the URL, which I always use Control V, and then we're going to put the line /YouTube there. And we're going to hit save. Now, let's go ahead and refresh the videos and see the YouTube video on there as well. Yep, perfect. And so you can make separate articles for each video, or you can put a couple different videos on an article if you like, completely up to you. But that is how you post a video into your website. Now, the last thing I'll cover real quick is what happens if you want to put a graphic in there, some kind of photo. I don't ever use this button for photos except to resize them. If you want to put a photo in there, you would actually just simply click this button down here, Image, and you will see all the images that are available within your website. If you need to upload an image, you can click Choose File and Upload. But there's probably enough photos in here right now that I could just grab something. So let's put on a photo of, let's say, thieves. And if I hit save, you will see the photo up here. Now you can go ahead and make your photo so the writing is around it, below it, and the photos in the middle. Maybe you want the photo to the right and the videos to the left. All you have to do is just turn the photo blue and click one of these buttons, and it will align the photo and the writing together. And again, if you align it center, the writing will always be below it. If you align the photo left, everything will be to the right. If you align the photo right, everything will be to the left. We'll hit save, come back over to the front, and there you go. So hopefully that helps you set up your team training area, put in a video, put in a photo, write some articles. And again, for every area of your team training area, which would be except for the downloads. We have a different video for downloads on how to put the downloads in, but for articles, videos, or resources and links, for any of those three areas, to put something into that area, all you have to do is simply create a new article, write in whatever you want in on that article, and put it in the category that you want it to show up in, either team articles, team videos, or team resources and links. Do not put it in team downloads. There is a different video for that to show you how to get your downloads in for your team so they're able to download what you have for them. And with that, this video is over and we're done. If you need a video on the website that hasn't been made yet, please let us know and email us and we'll get that out for you. Have a terrific day.